Hello, welcome to our channel, Kain.
Bang, where we fuse Korean and Filipino food.
So today, we're doing this cooking challenge. I'm going to cook with Nimbly's DIY kit, Beef Adobo sa Gata.
And I'm going to be cooking it from scratch. We're going to show you how quick and easy it is to cook a Nimbly Market DIY kit.
Great.
All right, let's do it.
To start, saute.
I'm going to mince up garlic. Good. Yeah, you're already cooking?
Yeah.
Well, of course I know that. I've cooked this many times. Oh, man. Let's see how fast I can crush this garlic. You know, I'm trying to keep up. Like, I'm actually trying to be speedy with this, but I think you're definitely going to be cooking this way faster than me.
Yeah, you're still on garlic.
Are you just going to be egging me on this entire competition?
It's like, you're still on that?
What? Oh, yeah. Oh my god, that smells freaking good.
So you brought the Instant Pot camping?
No,
No.
they didn't have the
The outlets?
Yeah.
That sucks.
So that's why it took forever to cook. Yeah, so we put it over the grill and then covered it with the foil and
Yeah.
then just let it sit for like almost an hour.
In some ways, it's probably better because not all campgrounds will have plugs.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that was our thought. I mean, we went there initially knowing that, so we just cooked everything in a wok, and which is fine. Like, I'm sure you can still cook you can cook all these Nimbly kits with a skillet anyways, right?
Exactly.
Wait, you're done.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go chill.
You're good. What? Oh my god, this is... What are you doing? Just like... You're making coffee? Oh my god, this is so bad. This knife is just...
How long?
How long do you have?
4 minutes.
Damn. What are you doing?
I'm gonna add this jajang. Make it a little bit, add Korean element to it. And I have so much time. I'm still cooking.
Okay. Alright. I see how it is.
Yeah,
I'm so hungry.
me too. Oh, what happened here? Did you put the lid here?
Oh, so nasty. I know.
Ooh, that was good.
Nice. I'm gonna add the coconut here. Sort of reduce down. So I'm just gonna add a little bit at a time.
you looking for?
I said it is somewhere.
Mystery time.
When you went upstairs to get the coffee stuff?
No, I didn't bring it up. That's so weird. This is the last thought.
What the heck? I'm like,
Oh, thanks.
that wasn't even me!
No, because I put this together and then I put this in the.
Hey,
At least you found it.
high five!
Beautiful. I hate when that happens.
Oh my god. I mean, I could have just used your coconut milk. Are you
Yeah.
gonna use the whole can?
No, not at all.
Ooh.
It's in the cupboard? That's too funny. Oh my goodness.
Just make some fried egg.
You make a fried egg too? Oh, frick, that smells so good. So how are you gonna add this? Like, are you putting it in, adding more water?
No, I'm just gonna put this in.
Oh, interesting.
Oh. It tastes like it works though, like
Yeah.
like a whole different dish.
Yeah, it's like a sour.
Jajangmyeon with like a coconut milky. Jajangmyeon's
That's
already
good, though.
like creamy, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really
Yeah.
umps that like mouthfeel. Mouthfeel. The texture. You already ready to eat?
Just the recipe.
Yep.
That looks good.
Yeah.
Damn.
Meanwhile. And it's getting there.
Yeah, it just takes time.
It just takes time. Definitely a lot more time. Definitely needs a little more. I think we're good on the coconut. And honestly, I think it just needs just like 10, 15 minutes. How is it?
The beef is so tender.
Oh my god. Yo, that's so good. The beef is so tender. Oh, hell yeah.
If you had like a restaurant, I would like order this. Like, yeah. Your Kain Bang restaurant. Oh. You totally can. Yeah, yeah.
Holy
It's good. Like I want to keep eating it.
yeah.
It's unlike anything I've ever had.
Yeah.
And I mean, you taste the elements. You taste
Yeah.
the giant, yeah? You taste like the adobo. That slight sourness.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. You don't usually get
Yeah.
No.
I actually like this better because usually like jjajangmyeon is like because it's so heavy.
Mm-hmm.
Like I can't eat a lot, but I think like this kind of sour element like makes it lighter.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good in noodles because judgment is mostly, I don't know.
I'm not too sure. Noodles.
We talked about it.
I think it'll work.
Yeah. Wow. Wow.
Nice.
You started eating already? But we didn't start recording.
Okay.
Oh my god. It's
Okay. So
It's okay.
you're like about 40 minutes.
So we just finished cooking our cooking challenge, and what do you think?
Definitely my dish.
I think you definitely won for speed, creativity. I do think you have a bit of a lead on taste, but I think mine was pretty good too.
Yeah. I think just our channel having that Korean spin is our thing with Filipino food, so I think that's more on brand.
It was really good.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us today. We're Kain Bang. Please like, subscribe our video, and share it with all your friends.
And come back to our channel for more Korean Filipino fusion recipes. We'll see you next time.
And then that's where the thing goes in the plate.